One step leads to another. Couple of steps lead to a dance. It's a stereotype. Yes, we're loud, but we are much more than that. So that's why our Cambridge Action Group decided to focus on a celebration about Mexican Mother's Day, a celebration to communicate our cultural heritage to our children and diverse neighborhood. On May 10th, we honor our Monument community mothers. We provide food, entertainment, children's activity, and give presents to the mothers. It's a family gathering in their honor. With the success of our event, I realize how much we can achieve when we work in partnership. People greatly appreciate to feel at home with cultural events or festivities that remind them of their country of origin. Working in partnership with our founders and partners has been very instrumental in assisting founding our leadership planning and development of community events. With these experiences, I feel whole. I have my Mexican cultural heritage. I feel empowered, and I can share it with people of different nationalities.